Yo, what is up, guys? Coming at you guys with another video. Today we have the new BX-13 BEYBLADE. We have KnightLance. This did just release yesterday. I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Faifoo on eBay. Very quick shipping. If you guys are looking for anything Beyblade related, definitely check out his page. I'll leave a link in the description below, as well as I'll try to put an annotation or like a little video cap of his page. But highly recommend him. Very fast shipping, great guy, top rated seller. Definitely recommend. He's also the one who got me the start dash set, so big shout out to him. Very quick shipper, and like I said, just highly trusted and rated. So if you guys are looking for anything Beyblade related, definitely check out his channel, his page on eBay, especially for beybladex. He is in the US and he has most of the stuff in stock, almost all of it. That way you guys don't have to wait for those pre-order times or anything like that. And he usually does ship same day or the next day, so definitely give his page a look. So here we go. We got the BX-13 KnightLance. Very nice. Here are the stats on the back. They are covered with this sticker, and as you guys know or don't know, this is actually another one of Maltese Beys. She does have a big suitcase of Beyblades. So it's not rare to see her have multiple Beys. She's also the owner of Wizard Arrow and Night Shield. I kind of figured that by the bit chip. It was really similar to Night Shield. Kind of has the same Night guy with the same lightning on his head. I'm assuming this is probably either an evolution, or now that she's on Team Persona, this might be her new main Bey that she uses with the team. That's just what I'm assuming, or it's just one of her other Beys that she has in her suitcase. But yeah, pretty cool. We get the 480 ratchet and a brand new part, which is the high needle. So basically it's the needle tip, but taller, I guess. So yeah, let's break this up, get into it, and I'll compare the needle to the high needle as well. Here we go. Let me get this open, slide it out, and this is just a booster, so you don't get a launcher. So yeah, comes in this little package here. Get this open, and just like that, there's the Bey, and you get a little instruction booklet. I don't usually open these. Let's get this out of here. Oops. Okay. Let's fix the box. Alright, so here is the Bey. I gotta say the blue is a lot darker than I thought it would be for the teal on this. The ratchet looks really nice. I love the colors they did on that, and the tip is very dark. Let's get into this. All right, so here we have the Night Shield. Very nice. Love the colors they did on this guy with the blue and the purple. Just really looks nice. Very defense centric design. I think it is a defense type, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, defense type. Really like the design of this. Here we can compare it to Shield. Pretty similar in design, except this one looks like it's probably a little bit better for smash attacks because of this. But yeah, it does look a little smaller, and it is a little bit like this by this much, but this is more of a circle shape anyway. Okay, and then here we have the 480 ratchet. So 4 here, that's 80, and 4 points, 480. Love the colors on this thing, really nice. Love the blue and the purple. And here we have the brand new part. We have high needle. Reminds me a lot of WD for Metal Fight. And if you guys notice, it has kind of like ridges here on the tip. I'm assuming that's for some more defense. I want to see how this spins in the stadium since it is a little more wider, and it does have a nice tip. Let me get a needle so we can compare it to. So here's the needle tip that I have from the green Wizard Arrow versus high needle. So just right off the bat, high needle is way thicker on this border piece, and it is way taller, as you guys can see. And I like that the tip is more wide on the top. I'm assuming after some wear, this will be a really nice stamina tip or defense tip, kind of like WD. And yeah, it is taller for sure. Okay, so let's get this guy put together. Again, just line this up, twist to the left, nice click. This goes in and boom, you're good to go. So there we have our KnightLance. Very nice bay. He is really tall. Let me get a couple Beyblades for comparison. So here we have a Wizard Arrow. As you guys can see, the height difference. Here we have one of the shortest bays, which is the drawn sword. And then here we have a Hell Scythe. So not too much taller than Hell Scythe, just a little bit. And that's because of the tip. But yeah, let's go ahead and do some test spin. Do a test spin first. And then we'll do a battle probably against Hell Scythe and Drawn Sword. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so here we have our brand new KnightLance. This is my new stadium setup for videos. Hope you guys like it. Gonna be doing battles with this new setup, so pretty cool. Love the way it came out personally. Didn't think it was gonna come out nice, but it did. So here we go. We're gonna do first a test launch of KnightLance, and then we'll do some battles. So here we go. First test launch. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright, so as we'd expect of a stamina / defense type, with that tip it has, it does stay in the middle pretty well. It is almost perfect centered. It is wobbling left and right. That's usually when a tip's brand new and it's like really pointy. They'll wobble like that. Let me try an angled shot next and see what it does. We're getting like a flower pattern and it's stabilizing itself out. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Well, now let's go ahead and do a battle. We're gonna go ahead and battle it up against Hell Scythe first. So I'm gonna spin KnightLance first since it is a defense type or stamina. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. So, burst finish on Hell Scythe. Actually, the ratchet and the tip came off. So that's 1 point to KnightLance, actually. If you guys don't know, by the official rules, any sort of burst finish nullifies a stadium out or an extreme finish or whatever. So even though KnightLance went into the pocket because because Hell Scythe went in first, the point goes to KnightLance. It's like it didn't get pushed in the pocket. Alright, so here we go again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright. We got 1 point for Hell Scythe. This time, we had a burst on KnightLance. I keep wanting to say Night Shield. Okay. Here we go again. It's 1 to 1. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Very nice. Extreme dash. And that is another point for Hell Scythe. Ended up in the pocket, and actually I think, if I remember correctly, let me double check. Okay, yeah, so pocket is 2 points. The winner of this battle is Hell Scythe. That's 4 points. Next up, we're gonna battle KnightLance against Night Shield against Drawn Sword. Let's get it. All right. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. So it does take hits very well, even the extreme finish hits. This one looks like it's gonna be a spin finish for KnightLance. 1 point. Here we go again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright, another spin finish for KnightLance. That's 2 for KnightLance and 0 for Drawn Sword. Oops. Here we go again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright. 2 points for Drawn Sword there. Over finish, I think it's called. I need to learn the names, guys. Alright. Here we go. It's 2 to 2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. As you'd expect, Drawn Sword's very aggressive. Lots of extreme dashes. And here we have another win for KnightLance, another point. Here we go. 3 to 2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Nice shot. So it looks like, oh, very nice. Burst finish for Drawn Sword. So it looks like our winner is Drawn Sword. I believe a burst is 2 points. I believe. Let me double check that for you guys.
Never met anyone quite like her.
I'm gonna count it as 1 point for now. So last battle, they're both 3-3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. KnightLance Extreme finished himself out of the stadium. If you guys want to see any more battles with any of the Beyblades, let me know. If you guys like the stadium setup, also let me know. That's gonna be it for a video today on the new KnightLance. I keep wanting to call him Night Shield. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, share if you guys feel like it. And let me know what other kind of Beyblade content you guys want to see. I'm thinking about doing some metal fight stuff. But for sure, any X releases, rest assured, I'll try my best to get them and unbox them for you guys. So yeah, that was my unboxing and review of the brand new KnightLance. Peace.